So we continue with the values of the Bhagavad Gita. Other day we said, Sri Krishna says, Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, Ahimsa, Kshanti, Arjavam, Acharyopasanam, Socham, Sthairyam, Atma Vinigraha. Start again with Ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. Ahimsa paramo dharma. In the Vedas it is said, Acharaha prathamo dharma and Ahimsa paramo dharma. The first dharma of Sanatana is Acharaha means character, good manners. This is the first dharma. Character means the values, a great value it is. Charitra. Character is the first value. Acharaha prathamo dharma and paramam dharma means the supreme dharma is ahimsa, non-violence. These two basic fundamental dharmas, acharaha and ahimsa, respecting all lives, as I said in the other day. Okay? Why you respect all lives? Because the same life is equally present in all beings, in all humans, in all animals, in all plants, everywhere it is, all pervasive. Isa Vasham idam sarvam. Ishvara sarva bhutanam hriddese arjunatistati. This is what Sri Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita. I am the Lord that pervades the entire universe, and then I am equally present in all animals and all beings. Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, Ahimsa, Kshanti. Kshanti means forbearance or forgiveness. We forgive. Again, this compact values, why you forgive? Because I am present in every human being, in every life. That's why you forgive. So no difference. No likes and dislikes. Where there is likes and dislikes, when we are living at the body level or at the mind level. In the mind is the ego. So at the spiritual level, there is no likes, no dislikes. Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, Ahimsa, Kshanti. That's why we forgive everyone, every beings. From where we forgive? From the spiritual point of view, from the life point of view, from the intellect point of view. Ksama, Daya, Ksama. Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, Ahimsa, Kshanti, Arjavam. Knowing the truth that I am the life, so we be straight in life. The body, the mind, the voice, the work, the speech, all in one line, straight. So what you think, what you speak, and what you do has to be in one line. It's called Arjavam. No split personality. Amanitam adamitam ahimsa, kshanti, arjavam, acharyopasanam. Acharya means the guru, the teacher. Respect of the teacher. Okay? We respect the teacher. What stands for? The principle of life, the principles of learning. Who's the teacher? The guru. What do we say about the guru, teacher? Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswara. He represents the ideas. That's why we respect him. He has experienced the value of life. He has experienced the life itself. No doubt he is in the body level. We can see the guru at the body level, but he's a body, and that body was realized the truth that I am not only the body, but the life. That eliminates the entire body, mind, intellect system. So, Amanitvam, Adambhitvam, Ahimsa, Kshanti, Arjavam, Acharyopasanam, Sthairyam, Socham, Atma Vinigraha. Socham means purity. How to realize this life principle? How can we realize it? By purity. By satsang. Purity of what? Purity of the body. Purity of voice, of what we speak. Purity of the mind. What is mind? Mind is flow of thoughts. Continuous flow of thoughts. So positive flow of thoughts is purity. A vast mind, a big mind is pure mind, whereas a narrow mind is an impure mind. Socham. So socham of the body, the mind, the intellect. Intellect also must be very pure, extremely pure. The mind, the body, and the intellect pure, and then all linked to the life. Socham, stherium, socham, atma vinigraha. Atma vinigraha in this value is that ekagra chitta, concentration. So whatever we do in life, we must have the presence of mind, concentrate on what we do. If I'm studying, I focus entirely on the study. If you are eating, you focus on the food. If you are driving, you focus on driving. Whatever you do, you be in the presence of the mind. That's called Atma Vinigraha, controlling all the sense organs. You cannot study at the same time. For example, see the TV or listen to the radio. You just do one thing. Prayer you are doing, you focus on the prayer. This is called Atma Vinigraha. So these values which we have seen in the Bhagavad Gita, Amanitvam, again we repeat it, Adambitvam, Ahimsa, Shanti, Arjavam, Acharyopasanam, Socham, Stheriam, Atma Vinigraha. Generally, a sloka is not like mantra. We do not chant it like mantra. Mantra is different and sloka is different. In Bhagavad Gita, we have got 700 slokas, and these slokas are generally, you can change the tune while chanting. For example, this one can be chanted like this: Amanitvam Adambhitvam Ahimsa Kshanti Arjavam Acharyopasanam Socham Stheriam Atma Vinigraha. So this is a sloka, a verse, a stanza. We can change this tune. Whereas, as far as the mantra is concerned, we cannot change it. It has to be chanted as it is. Difference between mantra and sloka is mantra drastas. So perfect. And the chanting also has to be perfect. For example, the mantra, when we show arti to the Lord, lamps is a camphor or lamps we show them. It should be in the same line, same tuning. Raja Dirajaya Prasatya Sahine Namo Vayam Vaisavanaaya Kurmahe, from the Vedas. Namo Vayam Vaisavanaaya Kurmahe Same Kaman Kamakama Yamahyam Kameswaro Vaisavano Dadhatu Kuberaya Vaisavanaya Maharaja Yanamaha. So this is mantra. We cannot change its tune, its line, its run. It has to be maintained everywhere, wherever you chant it. Whereas the slokas, it can be changed. What was the mantra there? Raja di Rajaya. How is our Lord? Raja di Rajaya, the kings of the kings. All pervasive Bhagavan, we respect. Any name you take. Bhagavan, Krishna, God, Lord is one and the same. You must not argue, you must not have any arguments while telling of God. It is one and the same. But one thing is very clear, God is one and pervades everywhere. Finally, you will find when we experience the Lord, it's not even one, it's not even many, it is always. Thank you very much. We'll continue with the values next video recording, and then we'll see more reference, more glory of our life. Thanks a lot. Purnamada, Purnamidam, Purnat Purnamudachyate, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva Vasishyate, Sushanti Bhavatu. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.